Yeah, welcome back, ladies and gents. I have just potted one up. I was going to take some crown root cuttings off this, but I've decided to simply cut it up and divide it into probably 3 or 4 plants. I mean, I have one here. I'll just wash this and show you. Oh, that's cold, that water. Oh, not many. As you can see here, that has got some nice buds on there. So I'm going to put these into 9cm pots just to get them going. Then as soon as these start going, as soon as they start growing, I shall put them into these size pots, ready for planting out. But yeah, these should start growing really well with the root system that's on there. So I've got one there, another one here, and then I have this nice one here. I'm going to split this into 2 as well. So if I just nip that just there, I mean, look, you get a rot. Don't worry about that. They all get rot like that inside the roots. But you can see there, lovely set of buds there, and that is just perfect. Another one. I think I might get 3 or 4 out of this, which I'll be well happy with. This is one of my favourites. It's a lovely blue colour, this delphinium. You'll have seen it in my videos. It's to the right hand side near my bench. So as I sit looking out from my bench, it's on my right hand side. It's beautiful, near the fence in the middle at the front. Yeah, just below the surface, like so. Like I said, these won't take long to get going. Like I said, I'm not heating the bench, so yeah, I'm getting some more done. I was going to use this. I shall use this for something else now. So plan abandoned. I mean, this, look how deep this is. This is, how deep would you say that is? Probably 6-8 inches deep from the top. So yeah, I can definitely cut that off there. You can see there, the roots. That's gorgeous, that is spot on. Nice bit of root system. But yeah, delphiniums, because these have been absolutely hammered from where they are, and they've not really been well looked after, the crown should be a lot bigger, but I've not been using slug pellets or anything like that last year or so. So what happens to stuff like that then? Like this one, I'm just going to wash this and show you this one. This one, hopefully, it will have, yeah, just there. They're not big, but it has got some signs, so I shall put this into a bigger pot. Fingers crossed. If it doesn't grow, it doesn't grow. It's not the end of the world, but I'd rather try it. I get buried a couple of inches, like so. Yeah, I would rather try growing it. What's the worst thing that can happen? It doesn't grow, it's not the end of the world. And then give it a tap down. I can get a water. I should put all these into my bench to give them, into my water container to give them a good water. What's that? 4 or 5 off this already. Give it another wash. I should have cleaned my bench. Keep washing it, and then, yeah, look at that. That's spot on, that, man. Yeah, look at that. So if I cut that, so it's got plenty of root on. Yeah, I like that as well. That's a nice one, that. So that will get put in another large pot. If I don't knock everything over while I'm doing it. Hopefully. That's alright. I don't want to spoil anything over there. Well, yeah, just get this filled up. And then this year, I should have some of my favourite delphiniums. Like I said, delphiniums are quite easy to do. I'm quite lucky, I've got my greenhouse, so I can do this and then put them in here, then monitor them. Like this one, plant 1 inch so deep. Give that a good knock down. So we've got 6 so far, which is not bad. I thought I was only going to get 2 or 3. And finally, this piece. You see here, that is really nice. That I'm going to plant all that piece. I'll probably get away with cutting most of that off, but I'd rather get that in there. Yep, I'll just go in there. once that's done, these will go on my unheated benches, like so. So what I've got there, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 there. So here we go. 3 in the big pots, 4 in the little one. I've all got roots with them, so these all should technically survive. If a couple die, it's not the end of the world, is it, Monkey? Oh, that's right, Paul. And I don't mind telling you, it's absolutely freezing out there, man. So what we're going to do now, all these are going to go into the tree. I'm going to leave them overnight, so I'm not coming back out to take these out. I know I should really take them out earlier, but there's no way I'm coming back out here. Like screaming, it's that cold on my feet. I'm just so glad I've got a little heater in here. So yeah, that's all done there. They'll be left in there overnight. As you can see there, a little shoot sticking out there. These will get a good water overnight in there. I'll get up in the morning, come out here, take them out, and then we'll probably take something down, probably go on top of here actually. Probably a good place. But yeah, I'm going to put the heater back on. This is lovely and warming in here because I've got my 3 heated heat mats. So that keeps look at my tomatoes, that keeps them lovely and snug as a bug in a rug in there. Look at my dahlias, they're the one from Thomas & Morgan. And they're shooting up those. My begonias, everything's looking well. So, just a quick turn back round gently. And that's it, it's 9.5 degrees. I shall put my little heater on. I'm only having it on number 1. I shall lift that up. I always lift it up and put it down here. In fact, I said, yeah, I've got 7. I thought I'd miss one then. I shall get that on my bench. That goes on there like so. It blows warm air across, that fan circulates it round, and it's a brilliant idea. So yeah, put this one in. Say goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Hope everybody's keeping well, and I hope everybody's garden's growing well. So as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and that was how to divide your delphiniums. Hope everybody keeps safe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you, everybody. Bye.